Hello everyone! So welcome back to Fairy Lucia family. So sorry guys, something is wrong with my eyes. Very itchy and then masakit siya. So I will just compress, hot compress like that. So today my husband will pasangkan the flag of Indonesia because today August National Day. So ayan, it's there. Okay, ayan guys, yan yung likod namin. Ayan, so that one guys, my husband, he's cutting the bamboo. Ayan, ayan. Hindi pa ako nagwalis, barom sapu-sapu, sibuk. Ako sibuk, banyak dahon-dahon. Ayan. Banyak dahon-dahon. Balum sapu-sapu. Kutor niya. Kutor depan rumah kami.
Ito flag niya sa mami.
Oo, ayan. O, andito yung flag. Yung flag ng papasang niya. Mau pasang flag Indonesia for National Day.
Oh, ini tanya kalau in the Philippines meron yung ada yang simpan ini depan rumah.
Ay, we don't pasang flag. If Independence Day, we don't pasang. They just celebrate in the hero one. They will give the flower. And then, they will put that one. They will tarik ke atas yang flag Philippine. Tapi, in houses, no.
Berarti in macam government punya saja.
In macam, ano ba yun? Sa municipal hall, ganon. Macam in chapel, kwan. Tampat. Oo, balay disa dawan. Every morning they sing the Philippine item. Lupang hinirang like that.
Jangan sampai salah pasang merah putihnya, merahnya in atas, putihnya in bawah. Biasanya banyak yang salah, putihnya in atas. Itu salah. Jadi country mana itu kalau Poland, Mbah?
Oh. Oh, in Philippines we don't pasang flag. Here in Indonesia, every houses in front of their houses they put the flag for
sudah pasang sama
for their National Day.
Sama.
Ayan.
Mana ya yang pasang bagus tempat pasang? Coba cari.
Every houses.
Itu, Pak.
So, boleh naman that one sana.
Coba tengok sini. Sini. Oke.
Sana?
Oh, sini macam oke ya?
Oh, boleh naman, boleh. Tapi macam pa naman if enteng Oh, like that.
Oke, babe.
Okay, and then that one. And then sana also in Tatangga, sana sa Bala. That one. Oh, that one is Indonesian flag. Okay, so my husband will put in front of our house like that. Ito pohon jeruk yang kami tanam-tanam, yang kemarin. Alhamdulillah ini sudah yang jeruknya sudah 1 kali bunga, ada 20 pieces orange. Manis yang orange nya. Sweet. And then ito, and depan kami ada cengke. 3 pohon cengke. Punya Ustad. Bukan punya kami.
Punya kami in sana jauh.
They call in garden in here is they call kontrakan. Kontrakan. Sa kontrakan is in hutan. Ayan. Tali like that. Okay. Biar kalau ada angin tidak tumbang.
Ini belum bersih kan?
Ito campur. Ada tanam jahe. And then this one is for luka.
Kalau ini
For
namanya
emergency. Kalau ada luka, ito
daun
boleh
luka itu.
kuan for antiseptic.
Yudium namanya.
Oo. And then
Dragon fruit.
campur saja the dragon fruit. That one saja in depan. Okay, okay na yan. That's okay na. That's okay na, okay na. Okay.
Oke.
Okay, that's
Thank
it
you.
for today.
Ini adalah video kami pasang bendera.
Oo.
Dan jangan lupa subscribe channel Ferry Lucia Family. Semoga terhibur dan juga senang melihat video kami. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
Okay.
Bye bye.